Are you ready to unlock the secrets of saving your Photoshop masterpieces in the perfect format? First, head up to the File menu in the top left corner of Photoshop and click on Save as this opens a window where you can name your file and, most importantly, choose its format. Now, let's explore the popular formats. JPEG is your go-to for photos and images with lots of color. When file size is a concern, keep in mind that JPEG uses compression, so saving repeatedly can reduce image quality. When saving as a JPEG, adjust the quality slider. A higher quality means a larger file size, but better detail for web use. Somewhere between 6 and 8 is usually a good balance. Need transparency? Then PNG is your best friend. PNG preserves sharp lines and is excellent for logos, graphics with text, and images with transparent backgrounds. It doesn't lose quality with each save like JPEG does. PSD is Photoshop's native format. Always save a master copy of your work as a PSD. This preserves all your layers, adjustment layers, and editing capabilities for future tweaking. For web graphics, consider using Save for Web Legacy. Navigate to File, then Export, and select Save for Web Legacy. This option allows you to optimize the image size and quality specifically for online viewing, preventing unwanted pixelation. If you're preparing an image for print, choose a high-resolution format like TIFF or save as a PSD and consult with your print provider for their preferred specifications. And that's it. You're now equipped to save your Photoshop creations in the perfect format for any situation, whether it's for the web, print, or future edits.